What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today I got a special upload for y'all today. Special video. Y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the title, y'all already know. The upcoming unreleased Travis Scott Fragment Low. Now, this version right here is the 2025 version. This is the white sail version. Y'all already know they already dropped the last two pair of the highs and the lows of the fragments. I don't have the highs, but I do have the lows of the last fragments, and I wear these like crazy. I love these shoes. Y'all know if you've been watching my channel, y'all know I'm a big fan of Travis Scott. Love his shoes, love his gear. Y'all already know. And apparently y'all do, everybody else do too, because they sell out like crazy. But anyway, we're gonna jump into the new Fragment 2025 Jordan 1 low Travis Scott's. But before we jump into this, into the overview, and of course at the end I'll be styling these, I need y'all, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, share the video, comment below what y'all you know, what y'all want to see more about the shoes, more outfits, anything about the outfits, all that, you know, y'all can just comment below. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I do a lot of styling videos on there too. You do not want to miss out. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Travis Scott Fragment lows. Let's get it. I think they pushed the date back to September 20th, and they're going for the retail price of $150. Now, y'all already know, please, like every chance you can get the tickets, first in line, whatever you can do, get your hands on these, because y'all know every time he release, the resale price of these go up, way up. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the shoe. As for the box, y'all see we do have that same cover like the last one, but instead we got that blue Cactus Jack and Nike Air and everything in that, you know, that navy blue, or that, you know, blue, whatever you want to call it. And as for the box, we just got the plain sail color block box. And of course I got a size 10. Y'all know I like to get a size 10 on my Jordan 1s. But you definitely go true to size on it, because they fit definitely good. And of course we still got the pink paper and all of that. I did cash out for mine. I got mine from StockX. Y'all already know. Cashed out for them. It's a pretty penny right now. And as we jump into the shoe, oh my gosh. Woo. Yeah, these are heat. Y'all know I love the Travis Scott. Y'all already know how I feel about them and everything like that. But this right here is nice. So it do come with 4 different shoelaces. We got the black ones already in there, and we do have the blue, pink, and the sail color shoelaces. Y'all can see. Check out this shoe, man. This shoe is crazy. Move the shoelaces out the way. Check them out, man. Check them out. Check them out. Dope shoe, man. They do, like I said, they do come with 4 different shoelaces. They already have the black pair in there, and they do come with the blue, pink, and the sail color. And now we're finna jump into the shoe. I can see we do have this like shoe tie knot right here with all the different colors of the shoe. You got the blue, black, white, and the pink. And of course we do have the backwards Nike check like always. Y'all already know the inside text of the shoe, and we got this tumble leather that's actually pretty soft and pretty decent, as y'all can see, with the same color as the Nike check on the other side. It's pretty dope. So, and of course on the back cover we got the Air Jordan on this one. We have the Travis Scott and the Air Jordan logo on the back, and the Fragment logos on the back also. So this shoe right here is definitely dope. We got the blue on the bottom sole of the shoe. And of course we do have the Cactus Jack on the tongue, just like the last pair also, and the Nike Air on the tongue. So we didn't check the inside sole like we always do. So this time they switched it up. Usually they have like the Travis Scott, or you know, a different print on the inside. This time they do come with the pink insoles of the Nike Air. Y'all check it out. Now I think that's dope. I like the different, you know, features they have on this shoe. So this is definitely a dope shoe. I definitely see this shoe like reselling for almost probably like $700, $800. So that's what I'm telling y'all. If you want them resellers, y'all know it's gonna be hard getting them, because they're gonna be reselling these shoes. But this is definitely a shoe I definitely copping. So far I really have all like the Travis Scotts so far. It's a couple of them I've sold, and I'm trying to get a pair on the originals. But man, these right here definitely going on my top. These probably my top 3 of the Jordan, just because the sail and the blue, I just love them. I wear these a lot anyway. but these are definitely dope. So y'all let me know in the comments section below what y'all think of these shoes, think of the outfits, and what's one of y'all favorite Travis Scott shoes. So don't click off this video. I got some outfits for you at the end of this video. I hope y'all like it. Let me know, comment down below what y'all think about the shoes, the outfits, all that good stuff like that. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank y'all. Peace. I'm out.
NT, you made this? NT, you made this? NT, you made this?